Are you guilty of these 5 car maintenance mistakes? They could be silently draining your wallet every single day. Mistake number 1: skipping oil changes. Engine oil keeps everything running smoothly. Ignore it, and you risk engine damage that could cost thousands to repair. Regular changes are one of the cheapest forms of insurance for your car. Mistake number 2: ignoring tire pressure. Low tire pressure doesn't just wear out your tires faster. It hurts your fuel economy and makes your car less safe on the road. Mistake number 3: not replacing filters. Air filters and cabin filters may seem minor, but a clogged filter suffocates your engine and reduces your fuel efficiency. Replace them on schedule, and your car will thank you. Mistake number 4: using cheap fluids. It's tempting to save a few bucks on fluids, but cheap alternatives often don't meet your car's standards. In the long run, this can cause leaks, overheating, and breakdowns. Mistake number 5: neglecting brake pads. Brakes are your car's most important safety system. Waiting too long to replace pads not only risks accidents, it also damages rotors, which cost far more to replace. So, which of these mistakes have you been guilty of? Be honest in the comments. And if you learned something new, hit that like button. And subscribe for more money-saving car tips.